Hey you guys, welcome back. I just walked into Dollar Tree and the first thing that I see down this row are these super cute like holographic stickers. Look at those with the cactus. Oh my goodness. So I see those. Here's some with these cameras. Explorer, Bon Voyage. Here's a set with some mermaids. These are so cute. Lord knows I don't need no more stickers. And did we look at this one already? No. Look at that. How cute are those? And I think there's one more. I see. Did we look at that one? I don't think so. Look at that. Oh, look at that one with the unicorn at the bottom in the corner. And then I see this one over here too. It says Dream Big. Okay, these are cute. I think I need to get a couple of these. I see some new Uniball pens. It says Bold Vibrant Ink. Assorted gel pens. So they do have the color. So this would be pink, that would be purple. I see purple and green. I see green and blue. And I think that's it. Purple and blue. Yeah, so those are the only combinations I see, but these are not bad at all. I also see these right here. They say Click and Go, and they say Assorted Ink Colors by Pentel. So I see black, green, and pink. I see a few new notebooks right here. This one says Enjoy the Little Things, and it's just some lined paper. That one is really pretty. I see this one with the gold. It says Enjoy Life, and then I saw this one right here. Your attitude determines your direction. That's cute. I see some more magnetic list pads. I think in my last video, I showed the little notepad sticky notes that had the lemons on them. So here I see the full list pad like that. Those are really pretty. Let's see what else is back here. Oh, look at that. That one says Farm to Table. That's cute. And then I see this one. What else did I see right before that? Okay, I saw those ones already. That one. The ones with the crystals. And then I see this one up here. That's really cute. It has chocolate, milk, blender, cupcakes. What did that say right there? Take your time. That's cute. Ooh. Look at that one with the donuts. Yeah, I think that, oh, there's one with cherries and the pie. Okay, those are really cute. Here's some jewels. You get 55 in a pack. Super cute. Little stars. And here is a new game. I haven't seen that one. It says Say It Again game. Guess the phrase, 2 or more players. That looks fun. Ooh, look at these nail files. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And the other side is black. I think I need a pack of these. That is the only colors I see. But those are so cute. This is not the first time I've seen these, but these are back, and they got all different kinds of lip balms. These are fun though. These will also make good Easter basket gifts as well. I know that I've showed these packs of pillowcases before, but I just happened to see these patterns right here, and I thought they were so cute. Look at that. It has the owls, and then I also see these Eiffel Tower ones. Okay, so I see some new wall decor stickers, and this one is some donuts, and it says do not or donut disturb, and it would look like that. That's really cute. That would be cute in a kid's room. And then I see this one that says llama no drama. And that's what it would look like right there. Those are some pretty colors. And I like the little detail on the llama. And it looks like that. Then I saw one more right here. And this one says, can't touch this, and it's some cactus. So it looks like that. That's definitely different, the way the cactus look and how they colored it. I like that one right there. So those are the only ones I see over here that are new. I seen everything else over here. Here is some pencil cases, Los Angeles Dodgers. They look like that. Just a regular pencil case. If you want, you can actually cover this up or probably peel that off. And that's not bad for $1. And that's the only team I see. Oh no, then you got the Angels. And right here I see some binders. They actually have the binders to match the pencil boxes. So that looks like that. Not bad. It's definitely not bad for $1. And you got the 3 rings on the inside. Oh, look at these stake lights. These are so cute. They got the flamingos and the pineapples. And they look like that. Okay, I like those. And they still got more of the solar LED pineapple lights. Oh, these are some cute little shot glasses. This one says Future Miss. Super cute. And then I see Salud. Like that. And then I also saw, where was it? This one that says Birthday Girl. Okay, I don't know why I'm over here in the candy aisle, but look at these big bags of Butterfingers. It says fun size. This is an 11.5 ounce bag. Even though I don't need them, I think I'm gonna get these. There's a bunch of them in here, so not bad for $1. I think I'll take both of these. Oh, look at this. On the Border Mexican Grill. What is this? Monterey Jack queso. It is a 17.5 ounce jar. That is really big. And when does it expire? June 17th of this year. But that's not bad if you want to use this right away. And I think that's the only flavors that I see. Okay, so in my last video, I found the canvas bags that was olive oil and Ghostbusters. Look at this. This was my favorite cartoon, Mighty Mouse. So I see that one, and look at here, little Miss Betty Boop. And look at how she's standing. She is like, okay, with her little tore up jeans. That is so cute. And there's some more of the olive oil back there. And the Ghostbusters, but my other store that I was at did not have these two. I'm actually gonna get one of each. And then I see some more infinity scarves. Here's this pattern right here, kind of blue and peach, but look at this one with the cute pineapples. Oh, I like that one. I think I might want to get one of these as well. And then the only other ones I see is this one right here. Really cute. And then I see this one. That kind of pattern, and I think this one is new as well. Oh look, today I found the aftershave. The other day I found the other 2 products, so this is new as well. So they still got the bacon cotton candy, regular cotton candy, but now I see birthday cake. So I don't even know why they still got that bacon. That stuff was nasty. And then over here I see the same paper towel holders, but I don't remember these. I think these are new. Oh, these would be cool to use for something else. But yeah, so they're over here in the kitchen area. Okay, you guys, so I'm over here in the candy section getting ready to get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. I was looking for some more of the lemon chocolate that I found in one of my other videos. It was so good, and they don't have any here, so I'll find some at another location. But thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.